Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host Arnold Tavik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Thursday, April 16th. From CSO Online, hackers are exploiting an unpatched Adobe Reader flaw that profiles victims for later attacks. A security researcher says an Adobe Reader hole has been quietly exploited by malware for as long as 4 months, fingerprinting computers to gather information that will allow attackers to steal data and perform further malicious activities. It collects system details and sends them out. Experts urge disabling Acrobat JavaScript until a patch arrives. From Computer World, the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency is running a project to create a new mathematical language for AI agents to communicate and tackle harder problems. That's the thinking behind the MathBack, or Mathematics for Boosting Agentic Communication project, which aims to develop a new area of AI communication, one in which AI agents will talk to each other to understand how they collaborate and share information. The effort is split into 2 phases and is planned to run for 34 months. And finally, from CIO, Intel is joining a massive new chip manufacturing effort to regain ground in the competitive AI chip race. The semiconductor giant is joining Elon Musk's ambitious Terafab project, billed as the largest ever chip manufacturing facility, one that will power space travel and advanced robotics. The move underscores Intel's urgency to compete in AI hardware. The Terafab project aims to scale production and support next-generation technologies across industries. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.